Here, a scammer posting on Seeking Alpha. Look at the stupidity of people. The title of this scam article is Crash Protection for Tesla After GreenLight's Warning. Well, firstly, for your information, Tesla has been a short since the stock hit $377, as we announced on the blog of the company. 377. These scammers, they are talking about now about Tesla, that the share price collapsed already to $266. But let's continue about this scam, okay? This individual refers to, this individual, I believe it is a hedge fund in the US, and is referring to these comments here. Okay, imagine the stupidity now. He introduces the investor to safety first, adding downside protection to Tesla. Okay, so he has here this blah, 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 that in fact this has a very high cost. But the question is, so the stock opens, the stock opens, and what? You cannot see whether the stock is going down or up. What? You are blind? You are a complete idiot. You cannot see whether the stock is going up or down. So why the fuck do you need this? Why the fuck do you need this? Are you a gambler in the markets? You open a position and you are there waiting for one day to have a profit? And moreover, the stupidity of this individual. He has been saying that he introduced the investor to the same protection. Imagine, the same protection when the share price was $350. $350, by the way, it was coincident when we posted on the blog of the company, and this was ahead of the company to report earnings, sell Tesla. Sell Tesla. It is there. Sell Tesla. And we explained why. The share price collapsed. So you have been what? A long-term investor in Tesla. You have seen the share price, plunging $130 per share, and you have not done anything. You are involved in protection, safety, utilizing these terms, safety. What? This is safety for you? I mean, this is only for this. This not even a fucking blind idiot comprehends the rationality of this. It's completely stupid. This is the reason why people, they lose continuous money in the markets. So the stock opens, Monday or Tuesday, the stock. But what? You are blind. You cannot see whether the stock is going up or down. You cannot make money. You cannot, if the stock is going down, you cannot close the position. And if you are bullish, you cannot then reopen it at a lower price. You had $130 per share to do so. And you let a stock crash $130 per share just like that. I mean, it's this individual, my friends, people like this. I already referred to this Seeking Alpha as a complete scam. You go to the blog of the company when animals like this, they were, posting fake news and all that shit about Lululemon when the stock was trading at $56. They were saying that Lululemon was going to crash. Lululemon became one of the most successful stories in the US stock market. And I was there precisely addressing Seeking Alpha. And this scammer, bulletproof investing, imagine, bulletproof investing. This stupidity, this scammer is allowed, how much this guy makes. And he's talking about 300 shares. But what is this? What a fucking animal is this? 300 shares? What kind of an investor 300 shares? Oh my fucking goodness.